up, everybody? It's Gem. Welcome back to another video. Today, this is the look I'm gonna be doing. So excited. It's so cute. It's so bomb. If you want to see how I got this look, continue to watch. Taking this yellow shade from my Juvia's Place Zulu palette, and I'm sweeping it into the crease, blended it in real nice as my transition shade, and I'm building up the color as I go as well. Going into the Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and I'm gonna take that red and I'm gonna sweep it in the crease. I'm patting and using windshield wiper motions. Alternating with the same brushes that I used to put the yellow and the red down, I'm going to be blending in my crease, just making sure everything is seamless. Going back into the Juvia's Place Zulu palette, and I'm grabbing that orange. The orange I'm going to fuse between the yellow and the red just to give me a more gradient effect. I want more of a better transition. So that's why I took that orange. I'm gonna blend it in with the red and the yellow for a really good transition. Now I'm cutting the crease. I'm gonna lay that base for the colors that I'm gonna put on top. Give it something to stick to. Yeah. Once again, going back into my Take Me to Brazil palette, I'm taking the yellow out of this one because it's brighter than the Zulu palette. So I'm gonna use this and I'm gonna lay this down on the lid, alternating between all three of the colors that I used. I'm gonna do the yellow, then I'm going to do the orange, then I'm going to do the red at the end, and blending them in between. You don't want nothing with a harsh line. You want everything to be blended properly. Blend your life away, sis. Alright, I'm done packing on all those beautiful shades. Now I'm going in with my Duo Lash Glue, the one in the green with the brush applicator. Yes, I'm gonna take that and I'm gonna cut my crease. I'm drawing a line with the glue to cut my crease, and this is gonna be the glue I'm using to stick down the gold chunky glitter. This is my beautiful glitter mix. I've shown a lot of my glitters that I use. I mix my own glitters. I use my own glitters. Just 7 million chef kisses. And then I'm gonna be laying the glitter down with this really defined brush. I don't even know what this brush is called. It's not a shader brush. It's not a pencil brush. It's a detail brush. That's what it is. I'm using this to stick down all the glitter in the crease, putting it exactly where I want it, and being as neat as possible. Placing another base of glue on top of my wings liner. I did my wing liner off camera. If I did it on here, I would be here all day, and we ain't trying to do that. So I'm just gonna lay a base following the winged liner, and after I put down the winged liner base with the duo glue, I'm gonna go right back in with the same gold chunky glitter. The glitter is gonna spill over onto the black liner, but it's a quick fix. You can go right back on top with your liquid liner and cover it all up, and no one will ever know. And it'll be as neat as you need it to be. Popping on some falsies. These are even lashes. I've said it before, I will say it again. I love even lashes. They're my favorite. Then I'm gonna go in with my highlight palette. This one is from Black Cup Cosmetics. And then I'm gonna put my inner corner highlight in my inner corner. And then I'm gonna go on my brow bone. This just tops off the look. This right here is what makes everything to me so much neater, so much nicer. It just gives you that glow. Taking some of the orange from the Zulu palette, and I'm gonna put it on the apples of my cheeks. It's really cute, really nice on my skin tone. And after I finish blending that in, I'm going to set my face with my setting spray. Oh, look at the glow. Look at the glow. Look at the glow. And yes, this is from my highlighting palette, the one from Black Cup Cosmetics. Oof. Yes. Going in with a pencil brush, and I'm gonna be taking the same colors that I used for my crease and my lid and popping it on the bottom of my lash line. Give me some color down there. Nothing too serious, nothing too extreme, just a little bit of color. Sweeping away any fallout that came from that shadow. And now I'm just gonna line my lips, and I'm using, this one is from the Beauty Supply, this brown lip liner. I'm lining my lips, and then I'm gonna go in with some simple gloss, and that's gonna be my lip combo. Simple, cute, boom, boom, boom. Applying more highlighter to my Cupid's bow, and yeah guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys liked it. Nice and colorful and bright. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. I love you guys. See you in the next one.